am Mariel Valmonte and my student ID is 3097777. And just in case you need my student ID card, there you go. So this video submission is about standard precaution personal protective equipment, and I also gathered my supplies here like my gowns, mask, face shield, and gloves. Of course, I also have my hand sanitizer and my garbage can. So first thing I wanna do is hand hygiene. Wanna make sure that there's friction. And then I wanna don gown first. So in donning gown, I wanna make sure that my outer garment is covered. And I have to pull up my gown cuff into my wrist, like that. And then tie at the neck. And then on the bottom. So this one goes over my belly and tie at the back. The next one is face mask. So here's my face mask. So pinch on the nose bridge, then pull it downwards. If ever my face mask has ties on the upper and lower, I have to tie it first on the upper and then the lower. The next one is face shield. There you go. Make sure that it's snug and it fits me. There, and then gloves. So in donning gloves, I have to make sure that it's the right size for my hands. So put the gloves on. And then I want the cuff to get tucked in inside my gloves. Then do it on the other one. Put it on and then tuck in. There you go. That's donning of PPE. So after I do nursing intervention on my client, I have to doff my PPE. So this is how I demonstrate it. First things first is my gloves. So presumably my gloves are dirty. So I have to get the outer part of my gloves on my left hand and then pull it off. And then slide. And then the doff glove, I need to crumple it on my right hand, and then I want to slide my finger inside of my right hand gloves, so like that. And then pull it off and then discard in the garbage can. After that, I need to do hand hygiene. So if ever I have germs on my hand, I'm not transferring it to anything. And there you go. And then I wanna doff next my gown. So the rationale of doing the gown first instead of the face mask and the face shield is I don't want the germs to transfer onto my face. So doff gown first, unfasten the ties here. And then at the back, There you go. And then I want to grasp the outside of my gown on my shoulder like that, then bend, and then slide it off. Then while I'm sliding it off my body, I have to roll it inside out, then making sure that I'm not touching the outside of the gown because it's dirty. Then roll inside out. There. And then discard. And after that, hand hygiene again. Next one is my face shield. So I have to make sure that I don't touch the front of my face shield because it's dirty. So I have to grasp the earband here or the garter, then pull it off, and then discard. If ever I have reusable goggles, I need to grasp the earpiece and then put it in a separate receptacle for cleaning. But I have a face shield that is disposable, so I have to discard it on the garbage. Then next thing is the mask. So I need to bend forward and then grasp only the elastic band, making sure that I don't touch the front of the mask because it's dirty as well. Then discard. So if ever my mask have ties, so unfasten first the lower tie and then the upper tie, and then discard. And then after that, I'm gonna do hand hygiene. But if ever my hands are visibly soiled of urine and blood, I have to do hand hygiene with soap and water. But in this case, I'm gonna do hand hygiene with hand sanitizer, making sure that there's enough friction as well. And there you have it. That's how I don and doff. So for this portion of my video is the reflection of practice. So as I reflect on what I did on PPE video, I think I improved from the first submission of my video, which is the hand hygiene, because I feel like I'm synchronous, going from the one checklist onto the next task. And then I think also I minimized the so that's what I improved. And what I planned and it went smoothly is that I planned all the step-by-step guidelines of the checklist, and I think I have verbalized everything. I gave rationale, so that's a plus as well. And what I did that did not go as planned, I think that some portion of the video is I am stopping as well, so I have to minimize that. And like I also have a brain freeze. Sometimes I forget what's the next step of the checklist, and I think that's the thing that did not go as planned from the video submission. And then for the future, I think I need to improve as well on my speaking skills, like giving rationale as well, and being synchronous. So that's what I hope that I need to do on the next video as well. And that's it for my reflection of practice of personal protective equipment video submission. And thank you for your time. Bye bye.